And then also, see, I got this old knife sheath or scabbard, but the top is broken off, and it does. I've got to use a rubber band to kind of hold it in place, otherwise it flops all over. So I decided to order another one. This one here, it's a Toza. Comes in different lengths. It's got to know the length of your knife blade, and yeah, I think it comes all the way from 5" up to 9". I believe this one is 7". So I take out my knife, my nice handy knife. I love this knife. It's very good, very sturdy. A little cutter on the back here, always nice and sharp. But anyway, I'll just go right in there. Snaps in. Voila! That looks good. Let's try it on. There we go. Beautiful. This is going to be my everyday carry when I'm out on the property here. And also, I always carry a pocket knife also. But this will come in handy around the acreage. You never know what's going to be jumping out of the bush at you. But of course, I probably won't wear it in town because people get excited if anyone's wearing a decent length knife. I believe it's still quite legal in Canada, depending on why you're carrying it. But just to be safe, I'll carry it around the acreage. And yeah, but that's a nice looking knife sheath.